Yes, it is very loud. Yes, I do love it. And yes, having the 1LE here, I do get the dual mode exhaust in the back. And I'm able to change that through the radio. But what I want to do is show you the decibel level of the valves closed versus the valves opened. And now, if you don't know from my previous videos, I just installed stainless power headers. Check out that video if you're interested in installing them yourself. I also have the LT2 intake on there, which I think you saw when I first popped the hood. But let's go into the car because it's super easy, and we'll just do a quick rundown on this. I'm just holding the power button. We're not starting the vehicle right now because I want to do my testing for you. So we want to go to driving mode, engine sound right there, and we're going to go to track. I don't know if you heard it, but the valves just opened up. So now let's go outside and see what it sounds like with it wide open, cold start. Going back in to close the valves is the exact same procedure here. Hold that down, my foot's not on the brake. Power this up. Go into vehicle, driving mode again, engine sound. Now while I push this, let's see if you can hear the valves close. Hopefully you heard it. So now those are valves closed. It's in stealth mode. I'm going to let this sit for several hours, and we're going to do a cold start and compare the two sounds.